Hi, welcome to my channel. I have another HelloFresh unboxing. Let me move this back a little bit. Okay. Yay, HelloFresh. I have 3 recipes. I accidentally ordered this one. I was going to move my dates a little further away. So this one I didn't pick any of the recipes, so they're all a surprise. The first one is chicken sausage and spinach ricotta ravioli. This looks really good. The next one is the veggie bibimbap rice bowl. I'm not sure how to say that. That looks really good also. And the chicken and cranberry currant pan sauce. Cool. They do look. They're all. This is the low calorie section of the menu. Okay. So first, the chicken sausage and spinach ravioli. The box came at, I don't even know what time. I don't know. They don't even knock on the door. I think they just leave it, which is fine with me because I'm asleep. It's very well packed, and it's a subscription box that you can get weekly or up to 4 weeks in between. So this is for the chicken, sausage, and spinach with ricotta. Aroma tomato. They send you all the ingredients: a lemon, sour cream, green onions, more sour cream, and Italian seasoning, and the chicken broth creamy maker thing. Now I did, if you watched my channel last week, I did unbox my my first box in a while. The pork chops and the chicken I already made and ate. The beef tacos I have not made yet. Because I ate those other two things, for 2-3 days. So, because there's only, it makes, I have to make enough for 2 people for a week, and I'm only one person, so there you go. And this is the chicken bibimbap. Bap. I don't know. It's a vegetarian meal. That's all I know. Oh, cage-free eggs. Coolness. White mushrooms. Ooh, a zucchini. When I tell you they send you everything, they send you everything. A green onion. Jasmine rice. I know I'm doing this kind of quick, aren't I? Sorry. The exact amount of jasmine rice you need. Oh, something spilled. Colavita white wine vinegar. Oh, how cute is that? Something in here is wet. Ginger. A fresh thing of ginger. Wow. 2 carrots. Oh, I'm going to really enjoy making that. I really, really am. And okay. I have to replace this bag. The sesame oil. Ooh. I'm excited about this one. Soy sauce and sriracha chili sauce. May not use that, but I probably will just because it's going to go with the flavors. These are a little moist. It may be that the ginger sweated a little bit because nothing else is leaking. The wow. So cool. This is still sealed, so not really sure what the leakage is, but moving on. Oh, let me put that back in the bag. I think I'm going to put a paper towel on the bottom because it is kind of moist. Mushrooms in the bag. This one is going to be a lot of fun. I actually might make this one first. I don't know. I'm excited about it though. It seems like it's more on the Indian cuisine side, and I'm excited about that. Chicken and cranberry currant sauce and currant pan sauce. Is it upside down? Sorry. Another green onion. I think I bought some green onions. Okay. Craisins, which I like. Couscous, Israeli couscous, which that couscous was really good, just in case you weren't sure. The red currant jam. Oh, and a giant cucumber. Or no, I'm sorry, this is zucchini. And then the chicken broth creamy maker. This one is actually, because I didn't pick these meals and they're different, I'm excited about them because they're different than they're out of my comfort zone. So there's like a shadow on my eyes. Sorry about that. And then we're gonna get to the nitty-gritty, which is the meat on the bottom. They pack it with what is this, cardboard, and then they put ice, and then the meat, and then another layer of ice. So we've got the sweet Italian chicken sausage mix. And the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And the spinach and ricotta ravioli. I am so excited I'm so excited about this box because everything is different. My next box should come in about 4 weeks. And it's so funny because I got the first box for free, so I paid for this box. And I really am excited. And then they sent me an email that I have 4 boxes to give away for free. So I'm like, okay, who am I going to give these to? I'm gonna leave this in the box. Put my stuff in the fridge. That's my unboxing. I cannot wait to make these. It's Wednesday. Deliveries are always on Wednesdays, and I'm working Wednesday, Thursday, so I don't cook until Friday. So I'll be cooking these Friday and Saturday, and I have a run Sunday. So yeah, early Saturday. Oh, I have a lot planned Saturday. I'm gonna cook these this weekend. And I'm going to make the meat too, the tacos. Actually, I might, let me see. We'll figure it out. But when I do, I will film it. And I didn't film the last ones, did I? But the food was really good. I don't think I filmed them the last time because I was trying to cook them all back to back to back. I did 2 in a row and I didn't film them. And then I haven't cooked the tacos yet. But I'm excited about the tacos too. So this section of this box looks really exciting to me because it's all different, all out of my comfort zone, and the food looks really good. Low calorie. They have other options. They have different size packages that you can get if you have a larger family, a family of 4. They have options for that too. So they send you enough to make 4 servings. It's really, really a nice little thing to try different recipes that you may not have tried or have wanted to but didn't know exactly what you needed. Like that, when you see stuff on TV, I'm like, ooh, that looks good. What would I need to make that taste like it looks? So they send you everything. So I probably will still use the sriracha sauce. It's probably not that spicy with everything else, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And go HelloFresh. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. And HelloFresh is pretty cool. HelloFresh.com. Peace.